shaking it, we're gonna stir. All right, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, the Burly Bartender. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a Midori Sour. This is another classic cocktail. We're gonna make it with fresh citrus, lime and lemon, as opposed to sour mix that we have on the gun. I make many drinks with that because it's easier, but for the video purposes, we're gonna make it the correct way. So you're gonna do your vodka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna do your Melon Liqueur, 1, 2, 3. You're on top with ice. Then you got lemon and lime. Instead of shaking it, we're gonna stir. And then we're just gonna top some soda water. And then for a garnish, a cherry, a lemon, or a lime.